This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change Ford Focus fog light bulb, full guide. Start by parking on level ground, engaging the parking brake, turning off the ignition, and disconnecting the battery negative terminal to ensure safety. Wear gloves and eye protection, and gather tools within reach. Work in daylight, or use a bright lamp so you can see clips and connectors clearly while you follow each step carefully and calmly. Warm up by collecting all needed tools and parts so you won't interrupt the procedure. Confirm the correct bulb type by checking the original bulb or the manual, and keep the new bulb in its packaging until ready. Wear gloves to avoid skin oils on the bulb and lay out a soft cloth to protect painted surfaces. A small flashlight and extension can make access to the fog lamp housing much easier and safer. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more practical car tips. On another note, I want to recommend these leak-proof meal prep containers I used while working on the car. They keep lunches tidy and save cleanup time. Check the description for the product link and other deals if you want to pick a set up. Now let's get back to the video. Begin by turning the steering to improve wheel well access or lifting the car if necessary for clearance. Remove the splash shield fasteners or open the wheel arch to reach the fog lamp housing, then undo the connector and carefully twist out the old bulb. Fit the new bulb without touching the glass, reconnect wiring, test illumination, and resecure panels and fasteners. Double-check alignment and clip integrity before finishing up.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.